Yeah, old information like poster holders. Oh, wow. Oh, let's sit here. Here are Moscow arches. Is it the Moscow gates? My map shows the Finnish name, so I don't know. We're gonna check it out later, depending on how I edit this. But we're gonna go now to the Victory Park, Park Победы over there. Back into the tunnel. Welcome to Park Победы. There's a lot of victory museums here. Let's go check out it's a Triumphal arch. All right, not Moscow gates. That's St. Petersburg. This is Triumphal arch or arc. Did it start raining? So guys, this is next to Park Победы. There is this Triumphal arch behind me. We're gonna check out it closer. Here we can see, and also the text about information about campaign of the Grand Army. All right, you have to spend time actually to inspect all this. So this has to do with the Napoleon War. There we can see dates talking about the advancements of the war. This is very similar. This one here is very similar to the one in Moscow. Sorry. The one in St. Petersburg. There are Narvsky gates, which are like triumphal gates, and then there's also Moscow gates. There are also Moscow gates, I think, in what city was it? But anyway, there are many Moscow gates. And now it's starting to rain. We have to run and be protected by Moscow. Let's go, guys. So we are in a huge prospect between the prospects. Secret police. Check it out, guys. Whoa. Triumphal Barrota, 1814. The day I was born. And Moscow, guys, over there. Whoa! Man. Can you understand how enormous this is? It's enormous. Everything in Moscow is enormous. It's gigantic. It's imperial. It's powerful. It's Russia. Oh wow. Let's take a selfie. There's some stuff on my phone. Sweating all day. Guys, we're now walking right under, and check it out, Alexander marked, by the way. This is Alexander the First. One of my favorites. It says Moskovsky Triumphal Arc in the honor of victory of Russian people in the Patriotic War of 1812. All right. And this was built in 1829 and 1834 under the guidance of architect Osipa Ivanovich Bove. Sculptor Ivan Petrovich Vitali, Ivan Timofeyevich Timofeyev, and renovated in check it out, during the Soviet time, 68. Now, well, there's a lot to see over there, but we have to go to the Victory Park first. So right next to the Triumphal Arch, we can see this information about Russian forces movements in 1813 to 1814. So here is Danzig, Berlin, Brienne, and Paris. This is Russian army entering Paris in 1814. Guys shouldn't forget, back in Paris, the bear, you don't want to wake up the bear. But guys, I've had an awesome time in Moscow, just awesome. I actually absolutely love this place. It's a bit hard on you. I mean, I can feel it definitely in my legs. That's this place is humongous. It's way beyond comprehension. This is population-wise. This is the biggest city of Europe. Think about that. And really excited now to see Park Победы. It's on one of my, well, this is my initial trip to Moscow, so This is one of my like go-to places, since I have to cover the bases and then continue. You know, that's how I roll. All right, let's go down in the tunnels. And by the way, it rained whole day, whole night, so it's really fresh. The smell is really fresh. It's but still it's sweaty, you know. Is it humid? What's the word? No, this is not army. This is laser tags, despite what you thought. All right, площадь Победы. It says Victory Park 1. All right, let's go through here first because we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back anyways to film more stuff. Oh my god. Check this out. Check this out.